This is my sink I put in the hangar. What I have is a dehumidifier, and I have it empty into this 55-gallon drum, which I purchased for about $30. It used to have, I think, corn syrup or something like that in it. Got an airplane taken off. So that water collects in here, and then I bought a $30 foot pump off Amazon that comes out of here and over into my sink, and then I just have a bucket underneath the sink to catch the water. So now I've got running water in my hangar, and I don't have to worry about filling up or going out and get water and bringing it to the hangar, because the dehumidifier will keep this tank full. Actually, the dehumidifier has been running for a month now, and it's got about 20 gallons of water in it. And then what I've done is, at the top of the tank, I put in a valve and a hose, and that hose runs out and outside the hangar. So if the dehumidifier catches up and is going to overflow the tank, it runs out and goes over and outside the hangar. So that's one way to get water in your hangar if you have electricity but you don't have a water source. May not work if you live in dry desert Southwest, but most places it should work pretty well. The sink I bought, it's called an Ultra Tub. I think I got that on Amazon as well. I'll put links in the video. It ultimately came from Home Depot, even though I bought it from Amazon. It took 2 or 3 weeks to ship. So I figured I didn't need a faucet or anything. I just route the hose from the pump up to there, and that's my faucet. So I'm happy with this little setup.